Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate. Got a great video for you today. I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial how you can make $200 to $300 each and every day completely for free. Not going to cost anything to do this method whatsoever. All right, so before we get started, let's go ahead and make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can get the videos as soon as I post them. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so you guys are really gonna love this method, okay? It's completely free to do. You need absolutely no website, and here's exactly what you gotta do. So the first thing you need to do is choose a niche, all right? Now this could be, again, if you see my video on how to choose a niche before, but it's, you have different niches, which is basically different categories, like make money online. You also have health, fitness, or health and fitness. Sometimes you can be considered one niche. Spirituality, software. So, there's plenty of different niches that you can choose from. I would highly recommend choosing a niche that's something that you're actually interested in, and you'll understand why when I explain later how this method works. But it'll be more to your benefit if you choose something that you're truly interested in, that you enjoy looking at or reading about or anything like that, something that you particularly enjoy, and I'll explain exactly why that's so important later. So the first thing to do is to pick a niche. But so for purposes of this video, I'm gonna choose make money online, because that's something that I'm interested in. So we're gonna choose the make money online niche for purposes of this video. Okay, so now we have our niche picked. So what we're gonna do now is go to Google, and we're gonna Google tips on how to make money online, since we chose that as our niche. So we're gonna go, tips right here to make money online. All right, and that should bring us here. All right, now this looks like a good one here. Okay, so how to make money online, 21 ideas to help you start earning more money. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this one out. So we'll click on that there. And let's see, that brings us to this site, Money Under 30. Looks like it's got some different, okay, how to make money online. Okay, so this looks like this will work great. It's got a nice article with a lot of information, a lot of different ideas on different ways to make money online. Okay, so this one will actually work perfectly. All right, so now that we have our site, the next thing to do is to pick a product that we're going to promote to make money with. All right, so for purposes of this video, I'm just going to use a ClickBank. We're going to go over to ClickBank. I'm going to use ClickBank because it's, like I said on one of my other videos, if you noticed the top affiliate networks that the video that I put out, ClickBank is really easy to get started with. So most of you guys that are watching this video are probably beginners. So ClickBank is really easy to get started with. You can set up a free account. And so if you don't already have a ClickBank account, you just go to clickbank.com, you set up a free account, and then once you get your account, you're going to click on Marketplace, and you're going to come to a page that looks like this. Now, since we are in the make money online space, that's going to take us to the e-business and e-marketing category. And these categories are all different niches, or different, like I said, different categories that you can find different products then to promote as far as ClickBank works. So we're going to go in the e-business and e-marketing. That's going to bring us to this page here. Now, I like to search by gravity and know what products are being promoted by other affiliates. Because if a product has a pretty high gravity, it usually means that the product is being not only promoted, but affiliates are making commissions with that product. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and for purposes, we're going to use this offer here, the 12-minute affiliate system. I think, this will work great. It has an average conversion of $163.23 currently. And I've seen this product on ClickBank for a while, and I've actually did some investigations on it, looked at it myself. So I know it actually is a pretty good product to promote. So, especially for something like this, if its average conversion is $163, if we're looking at getting to $200 to $300 a day, we only need 1 to 2 sales per day to actually hit our target goal. So to promote this product, we're just simply going to hit promote, and this little box is going to come up. Once this little box pops up, you'll just add in the account name that you created when you made your ClickBank account, and it should take just a second here. Usually it pops up a lot quicker than this, but you just put in your name, which mine should be in here. There we go. And you're going to click on generate hop links. And once you click on generate hop link, now you actually have your own affiliate link that you can use to promote this particular product. So now anytime anyone clicks on our affiliate link, which we are now is this link here, we're just going to click that button to copy it. Now anyone that clicks on this, our affiliate link, is going to make us a profit if they make any sales once they click on our link. All right, so now we have our website, we have our niche, we have our website, and now we have our product. So the next step is going to be to go to a website called Sniply. That's snip.ly. You can create a completely free account that's you can use up to 1,000 clicks. So you enter your email, or you can create with a Facebook or a Twitter account. Once you create an account, you're going to come to your dashboard, and it's going to look a lot like this. All right, so now what we're going to do next is go back to our website that we found earlier, and we're going to copy the URL from that site, and we're just going to paste it into this area here and click on create snip. Now it should take just a second or two. It doesn't take very long to create a snip usually. But once you hit create, after a few seconds, you'll see what'll happen. It'll do a little bit of thinking like these computers do, and then it's gonna pop out an exact replica of the URL that we just added in. Okay, so while it's doing that, the next thing we're going to want to do is add what's called a call to action. Okay, you'll see that somewhere a lot in with affiliate marketing or any type of online marketing. It's a CTA, which stands for call to action. All right, now what we're going to do is I'm going to select my brand, of course, and you can select, if you want to make another one with a free account, you can actually have two brands. Then we're going to click on a button, and we're just going to have a message that says, and you can put whatever you want here, but I don't want to make this video take an hour, so we're going to just put learn how to make money online now. And of course the button would say click here, and then now the URL is actually where you're going to put your affiliate link that we got earlier. All right, so you're going to go back there and then go back to copy, and we're going to paste that link in there and hit continue. Now there's a lot of other options that you have here. You'll see that they're all locked up. If you want to get the paid subscription, you can unlock those options, but for now we're just going to leave it and click finish CTA. And as you'll see down here, this is like a preview. It's taking a little bit longer to load up the website part of it, but this is actually a preview, and you'll see here that this is what's actually floating on that site now. So now we have our own link, and now I'm going to show you how to actually get traffic to this link so you can get it in front of people who will want to click on it and learn from it and actually possibly purchase the product to make a commission. All right, so now we just want to copy this link, and we just want to paste it in our browser just to make sure that it looks and does exactly like it's supposed to. So that will take just a moment while that loads up. And as you'll see, as soon as this actually loads up, that it'll look exactly like the page that we originally found in our Google search, except for now that we have our little floating bar down here. Okay, so we know that it's working. I don't need to wait for that to load up. I don't know why this is so slow, but anyway, we know that it's working. So you can see the preview in here. So now we need to get traffic, and how we're going to do that is, there's a lot of different ways you can actually get traffic to something like this, but the way that I'm going to show you is through Facebook. Okay, so what you're going to do is go to Facebook, and you can go to Facebook groups. And this is why in the beginning I said that you should pick a niche, something that you're very interested in and that you enjoy, reading about or interacting with. Because the way this is going to work is, what you're going to do is you're going to go on Facebook and search for groups like Make Money Online. And you're going to find plenty of different groups that'll come up. All right, and you're going to want to join each of these different groups. But the key is, when you join these groups, you're going to want to add value. You don't want to just go into these groups and just spam your link. You'll want to go into the groups, and let's see. Okay, so this is actually a public group. Let's go ahead and see if we can check this one out. You actually want to go into these groups and add value. All right, so you don't want to just make a post and spam the link everywhere, because that's not adding any value and it's not going to work. But what you want to do is actually interact with the people in the group, interact with the different posts in the group. And for example, if this was, let's just check this group out here. So what I would do is, I would join any of these public groups, or even the private groups if you want. This one has over 1.8 thousand posts a day. It has over 109,000 members. So if I was going to join this group, I would just look up some of the posts. Okay, use pre-search engine to earn while you learn. You just want to look for something that actually where you can post your link to our site that's actually going to add value. Okay, so it's your PayPal account. This one is not really working. There's usually some type of post where somebody's asking, can you make money? Or, if you want to add your own post, you can just say something like, hey, I came across a great article on ways to make money online. Figured I'd share with you guys. So that way you're not asking anybody to buy anything. You're not asking anybody to do anything for you. You're actually adding value to the group, and people will in turn, they will actually click on your link, and they will, once they click on that actual affiliate link, if they make a purchase, then you'll make a commission. All right, so there you have it, guys. A completely free way to make a good, easy $200 to $300 a day, possibly even more, online, completely for free, no website needed. Again, like I said earlier in the beginning, I highly recommend choosing a niche that's something that you're actually interested in, because if it's something that you're interested in, you're actually more likely to spend more time in those different groups. So, if you can post, 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 snips a day in different groups, then, just imagine the type of commissions and the type of traffic that you can get to your links. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this method. Make sure you drop comments below. Let me know how it works out for you. If you made some commissions, if you made some money, however it worked out for you, drop some comments. Let me know what you think. As always, it's your boy, Dwight, the Good Energy Affiliate. I wish you guys nothing but success no matter what you're doing. And as always, no matter what hurdles come, no matter what you go through, just keep pushing and keep pushing. Dreams do come true.